your leg to your right side. Adjust so that you're good start. Come on, just 2 times will do. Take a listen 20 times or 200 times. 1, 2. Then you adjust the step. Like this. Because you're going to that 45 degrees. Carry your cosmos. Here. Spread. Oh, indeed. Spread. Then you move the side. Adjust. This step. Spread. One more time. Spread. Next. This leg. Go to midline. Point. Great. Beautiful. Now move forward. Stride. You have space, you move forward. No space, move back. Oh. One more time. Actually, you're moving forward but no space. Play the loop. Move back. Fast, funky. Wow. Again. 2, 3, 4. Now we go come sparrow tail in front. Turn around. Strike. Now come sparrow tail. Turn around. Strike. Now we do cock head. Turn this one into good stun. This. Enjoy yourself. Not shake your hip. You may rotate or you may take it still. You can rotate. Movement of your hip. Now the right leg to your left leg. Move your left leg up. Very nice. Enjoy yourself. Right leg to your left leg. Left leg up. One more time. Then turn this way. High. The first step, first step. Here, guard. Here. This you can strike with your palm or you can strike with your fist. You can use a force stick or you can use a bow arrow. So for uniformity, we use the force stick. Strike. Here. Back. Ha! Into his eyes or throat. Just step him. Cross. Kick. And then back. It's a new pattern. Ha! Like this. Double B. Yeah, now, this leg. Cross over here. Kick. Down. Single beat. Low side. Up. Adjust. Steady first, up. Then the other side. Up. Now, you better turn this way, turn. Then up, lift your hand up and strike. From here, see? Strike. Cross. You can step. Cross. Strike. Bring back to the center. Hop. Chop his leg. Elbow. Shoulders. High. Elbow. High. Boy. You can just move forward actually. But no speed, let's just stand out. Turn around. Rush away his hand. Hand on his hip. Here. Move back. Push away his hand.